Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about delivery date calculation and material availability date in MD04. So for this we'll consider few examples. First of all we'll see how system calculates delivery date and material availability date in case of externally procured materials. So in case first we'll consider processing time as a 2 day, planned delivery time as a 2 day and GR processing time as a 1 day. If we go to system, first we'll check where we actually maintain this PR processing time, planned delivery time and GR processing time. If we go to the configuration setting, SPRO, IMG, materials management, purchasing. Under purchasing, if we go to purchase requisition, here we have one configuration node, processing time. So in this configuration setting, if we check our plant code ST01, so for this plant code, purchase processing time maintained as a 2 days. It means this PR processing time maintained at plant level in our configuration setting, and purchase processing time means it is the time required to convert purchase requisition to purchase order. We have already gone through all these informations, right? Purchase processing time, planned delivery time, GR processing time in our previous session. I have shared my previous session link in description box. So we actually maintain purchase processing time. Now we'll see where we maintain planned delivery time and GR processing time. So for this I am going to material master. Okay. Here I am selecting required views. Okay, entering our plant code ST01. In this purchasing view, if you scroll down, here you will see GR processing time field. Okay, for this GR processing time, value is maintained as a 1 day. Same if you go to MRP2 view, here you can see what procurement type maintained for this material. So for this material, procurement type maintained is a F. F means external procurement. If you just click on drop down option, here it will show E means in-house production, F means external procurement, X means both procurement types allowed. And if you scroll down, here you will see planned delivery time maintained as a 2 days and goods receipt processing time as a 1 day. Now if we go to create purchase requisition, we'll see what delivery date will be determined by system. So this is ME51N purchase requisition creation screen. Here I am entering our material code, entering some random quantity and entering our plant code. So here you can see system has determined delivery date as a 7th of March. How this delivery date system determined? Okay. For this, if you go to item level quantity/dates tab, here you can see system has identified some information from master data. This planned delivery time system identified as a 2 days and GR processing time as a 1 day. And if we go to calendar, so we are ordering material on 3rd of March, right? So first system will check, okay, what document we are creating. So we are creating purchase requisition. That's why system will consider processing time, because this purchase requisition has to convert into purchase order, right? So for that purpose, system will go into the configuration setting where we maintain processing time at plant level. So from that configuration setting, system will understand, okay, processing time period. So in this case, for this ST01, processing time maintained as a 2 days, right? So as per that information, 4th March will be a first day of processing time, 5th March will be a second day of processing time. After that, system will check what's the planned delivery time. So here planned delivery time is a 2 days. It means after this, 6th March will be a first day of planned delivery time, and this 7th will be a second day or end day of planned delivery time. It means that material will be delivered on 7th of March to our plant address. If you check the delivery date, here it is showing 7th of March as the delivery date. It means, okay, While delivery date calculation, system has not considered GR processing time. System has not considered GR processing time. It means when system performs delivery date calculation, so that time system will consider purchase processing time and planned delivery time. Okay, it will not consider GR processing time. Now I am saving this document. So purchase requisition has created. Okay, I am just opening this purchase requisition in display mode, and parallelly what I will do, I will open MD04 screen. So for this I am going to different screen. Okay, here I am opening MD04 stock requirement list screen. Enter our plant code, material code and plant code, pressing enter. Okay, so see, we have created this purchase requisition which has a delivery date 7th of March, but material availability date it is showing as a 10th of March. Why it is showing 10th of March? Because as per this information, what system understood, material will be delivered on 7th of March, but after material received physically, warehouse people has to perform some warehouse activity, okay, and that activity they will perform on working day, right? Because this GR processing time calculation, during this GR processing time calculation, what system does, system only considers working day of plant, it will not consider non-working day. So here our material will be delivered on 7th of March. After the 7th of March, 8 and 9, these are non-working day of our plant. That's why system will ignore these 2 days and system will check what's the next possible working day. So here system will here system identified next possible working day is the 10th of March. That's why in MD04 system has displayed material availability date as a 10th of March against this purchase requisition. Now what we will do, in our material master we will do some changes. Okay, our plant code was ST01, right? I am selecting required views. Our plant code is ST01. In MRP2 view, I will keep procurement type as a F as it is, and here I will change planned delivery time as a 4 day, and GR processing time I will change as a 2 day. Clicking on save button. Now in this case, if we create purchase requisition again for the same material, let's see what delivery date system determines. Again I am entering same material code ST-raw1, entering some random quantity and entering plant code ST01, pressing enter button. Here you can see system has again determined delivery date as a 10th of March. Why system has determined 10th of March? If you go to item level quantity / dates tab, here okay, system found planned delivery time as a 4 day and GR processing time as a 2 day. If we go to calendar, so we are ordering material on 3rd of March. After that system will check what's the processing time. As per the configuration setting, processing time maintained is a 2 days for ST01 plant. So this 4th March will be a first day of processing time, 5th March will be a second day of processing time. After this system will do calculation of planned delivery time. So as per this information, planned delivery time is of 4 days. So this will be a first day of planned delivery time, 7th will be a second day of planned delivery time, and 8th will be a third day of planned delivery time. Here just remember one thing, planned delivery time considers standard calendar days. Okay, it will not consider working days of plant. So it means 6th will be a first day of plant delivery time, 7th will be a second day of plant delivery time, 8th will be a third day of plant delivery time, and 9th will be a fourth day of plant delivery time. This is the end day of plant delivery time. But here just remember one thing: when system calculates plant delivery time, then system perform one additional check, where system check what is the last day of plant delivery time. So here what happened? Here last day of plant delivery time is coming on non-working day. So if last day of plant delivery time is a non-working day, then what system will do? System will check what is the next working day of that plant. What is the next working day of that plant? So next possible working day is 10th of March. That's why what system will do? System will shift last day of plant delivery time from 9th to 10th, because 9th was a non-working day, right? That's why system shifted last day of plant delivery time from 9th March to 10th of March. That's why in the delivery date calculation, system displayed delivery date as a 10th of March. And I already mentioned, okay, during delivery date calculation, system doesn't consider GR processing time. That's why here it is showing delivery date as a 10th of March. Now I am clicking on save button. Okay, the purchase requisition created with the number 1501. And if you go to stock requirement list screen, click on refresh button. Here it will show purchase requisition which has the availability date 12th of March. If you go back to purchase requisition, here it is showing delivery date as a 10th, but in case of in MD04 it is showing 12th of March. Why? Because what system did? System identified, okay, the delivery date as a 10th of March, and also system found GR processing time as a 2 day. So what system did? System added 2 more days, okay, in this delivery date, because after performing GR or warehouse activity, okay, then only that material will be available for usage purpose or consumption purpose. That's why here system has displayed 12th of March as a material availability date against this purchase requisition. Okay, so this is about external procurement material. Now what I will do, before going to in-house production, I will just delete these purchase requisitions. Okay, I am deleting. Click on refresh. Yeah, that purchase requisition has gone. I am deleting this also. Select the line. Click on trash icon. Click on save. Again click on refresh. Yeah, so both purchases, okay, we have deleted. Now if we go back to our presentation, okay, next case is for internal procured material. Internal procurement material means, okay, those materials we produce internally in our plant, in our manufacturing plant, for which we maintain procurement tab as a E in our material master. So for that purpose, what we need to do? We need to go back to our material master, and in material master, instead of procurement tab F, we need to maintain procurement tab as a E. Our plant code is ST01. So here in MRP to view, I am changing procurement tab from F to E. E means in-house production time. And for testing purpose, okay, we need some data, right? So here you can see, for this case, what data we are going to consider? We are going to consider in-house production time as a 6 day, GR processing time as a 2 day. So if you scroll down, here we will maintain in-house production as a 6 day and GR processing time as a 2 day. And click on save button. That's it. Now what we'll do, we'll perform MRP run activity. Okay, instead of creating documents manually, what we'll do, we'll perform MRP run activity through MD03 transaction. So here I selected here I executed MD03 transaction, then here I am selecting planned orders, okay, and click on execute, press enter. Yeah, MRP has been executed successfully. If we go to stock requirement list MD04 screen, click on refresh button. So see, against the MRP run, there is one planned order document created which has a material availability date 13th of March. Now we'll see why system has or how system has calculated this availability date 13th of March. So for this purpose, okay, we need to again go into the material master. Okay, here I am entering our plant code is ST01. So in MRP2 view, what we did is, here we entered procurement type as a E, in-house production, and here we enter in-house production time as a 6 days and GR processing time as a 2 days. It means in case of internal procure in-house production of material, what we will do, system will check first what is the in-house production time, and then it will check what is the GR processing time. So as per this data, what system did, okay, that plant order was created on 3rd of March, then it checked what's the in-house production time. So here it found in-house production time as a 6 day. So here from next day it will start to calculate in-house production time. So 4th will be a first day of in-house production, this will be a second day, this will be a third day, this will be a fourth day. Then this Saturday and Sunday are non-working day, right? So system will ignore or exclude this day. Then 10th will be a 5th day of in-house production. Then 11th will be a 6th or last day of in-house production. Here our in-house production time will finish or it will complete, and after this system will check what's the GR processing time. So here GR processing time maintained is a 2 days. So after 11, 12 will be a first day of GR processing time, and 13 will be a second day of GR processing time. So as per this data, okay, 13th of March will be a material availability date against this planned order. So this is how system calculates material availability date in case of in-house production materials or internally procured material. Now what we'll do, we'll change procurement type from E to X. Going back to MRP2 view, here I am changing procurement type from E to X. X means both procurement types are possible. Means we can purchase this material from external supplier, or we can manufacture this material because we have facility available for production. So I am clicking on save. Rest data I am keeping as it is. So in this case, if we execute MRP run again, okay, here I am keeping 2, okay, and here in case of planning mode, okay, here I am putting value as a 3. Let me stop this screen. What happened? MD03. Okay, changing planning mode from 1 to 3 and executing this MRP run. Press enter. Yeah, MRP has carried out. Now if we go to MD04 screen again, click on refresh. See, system has calculated availability date as a 13th of March. It means, okay, delivery material availability date has not changed. Why? Because if in the material master procurement type maintained as a X, okay, then what system will do? System will perform replacement lead time calculation or this material availability date calculation as per in-house production time strategy. Okay, so this is about delivery date and material availability date calculation, okay, in MD04. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye bye.